These iconic colors represent one of the greatest football nations in history. But creating these jerseys requires advanced industrial technology.
Everything begins inside modern textile factories.
The process starts with polyester raw materials.
And powerful machines begin transforming them into performance sky blue fabric. The polyester is melted at extremely high temperatures,
Then pushed through microscopic holes. This creates ultra-thin performance fibers. The fibers are cooled and strengthened. Next, the fibers are spun into yarn. Factories produce thousands of yarn cones every day.
Each yarn batch is tested carefully.
Twisting improves durability and flexibility. Modern sportswear factories run continuously.
Separate yarn colors. Prepare for Argentina's design.
The famous sky blue shade is carefully matched.
Precision color control is extremely important.
These colors will form the legendary striped jersey.
Now the yarn becomes breathable fabric.
Computerized knitting machines create the fabric structure.
Thousands of loops are formed every second. This creates lightweight ventilation zones. The signature stripe pattern begins to appear. The material is stretched for flexibility. Huge factories produce kilometers of fabric daily.
Comfort is essential for professional athletes.
The finished material is rolled automatically. Breathability is tested carefully.
Modern jersey fabric helps keep players cool.
Every process is highly automated.
Each batch is carefully tracked. Even tiny defects are unacceptable.
The iconic stripe pattern must align perfectly. Machines maintain precise tension constantly.
The result is lightweight performance material.
Next comes the graphics process. This is where the jerseys gain their identity.
Advanced printing technology handles every detail. The national crest is digitally printed.
Numbers are added using heat transfer technology. Every symbol must be perfectly aligned.
Modern machines ensure sharp graphics.
Now the jersey pieces are ready for cutting.
Computer-controlled cutters create precise jersey panels.
Every component is prepared for sewing.
Now the jersey begins to take shape. Strong stitching improves long-term durability. Sleeves are aligned carefully for comfort.
Collars are attached using specialized machines. Reinforced seams handle intense athletic movement. The production line operates continuously.
Every stitch is checked carefully.
The iconic jersey is now complete. From raw polyester to football history, this is how Argentina's football jerseys are made.